Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can open up your second Etsy shop. So let's get right into it. Now, I'll be just explaining this through my own words because I can't even set up one shop due to not having the adequate information for the shop manager, let alone two, but this is actually a very easy thing to do. Now, the tricky thing is that you cannot use your same email or the same account for two shops. Pretty much the simplest solution and the only solution is to create an entire new account, and then you can use that account to actually create your new shop. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Now, of course, as I mentioned, it needs to be a new account with a new email address, and without it, you won't be able to do this. I'm not sure if you can't use the same banking information, that being your own credit card, which you're going to pay your expenses with, and your own bank information with your account where you're going to receive your funds, but I'm pretty sure you can use the same ones for multiple accounts. But yeah, that is pretty much it. To set up your shop, again, just create the new account and go to the shop manager, fill out this entire process. You're going to need to add your preferences, your shop name. You're going to need to stock your shop, add your bank information so that you can get paid, add your billing information so that they can ask for money for all your expenses, and then add shop security. And once you're done with that, you're pretty much good to go. And that's literally all there is to it. It really is that simple. You're just going to create it as you would normally with a different account. And that's all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.